where I come from, having gone through the war and having seen how the national cake has been deliberately served at a higher percentage to some areas and others left behind without roads, without schools, without health centers, and for us we are supposed to sit and escort them to develop their area. Madam Speaker, that is unfair.
Honorable Minister, you had asked for 2 weeks too, and it was very simple. You were only supposed to go and incorporate what was discussed, what was raised in this house, putting in mind the equity, fairness, regional balance, and bring and lay it on table. I even asked the minister to first give me and I look at it before it is laid on table. Up to today it is not brought. What do we do?
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker, and I thank the Honorable Member for raising the issue. There is no reason as to why government cannot share NDP IV with the Parliament. There is no reason, because the document has been prepared for Ugandans, including MPs. Secondly, it is also not true that as we plan and budget, that we leave out particular parts of the country. We know for a fact that the northern part of the country was affected by war and conflict for a long time, but from technical studies, there is evidence that what we call the Gini coefficient, which measures issues of inequality, there is a great improvement in the north. But yes, no. There is a way we measure inequality, and the point I am making, that while that part of the country...
There's an order.
Madam Speaker, the reports released by the government consistently, from the Poverty Status Assessment Report, from Uganda Bureau of Statistics, etc., government agencies, have clearly pointed out that the North, Lango, Karamoja, Acholi, Teso, and Busoga, have worsening poverty situation consistently. The report of the Equal Opportunities Commission assessed and found, 1, that we are nowhere in this government. 2, that we are at only, yes, in terms of employment, it's a report of government available